Hi YouTube fam, what's going on? It's your girl, Lilcutenurse. I'm back. Welcome back to my channel for another video. And thank y'all for joining me. But let me tell y'all, that was corny, wasn't it? But I meant it. Okay, anyway, y'all, I did get to go to Victoria's Secrets today. But that's not what this video about. Tomorrow, we'll do that tomorrow. But today, I got another package in the mail. Guys, this is from Hanogram. Y'all might remember. Okay, somebody want to know what's on my eyes. Let me slow down. I used this Milk Cosmetics palette today, and I got the Stunner Lip Paint by Fenty Beauty. That's what's on my lips. And I did record it, but for whatever reason, my camera just died, y'all. I'm sorry. It just died. Kind of like my little lights don't want to come on in the back. Today is just a bad day. But anyway, this video is going to be from Hanogram, or about Hanogram. They sent me 3 cases, guys, to share with y'all. I had got this one from them last year. Was it last year? Earlier this year, y'all? It's been dropped sometimes. But my phone is intact. I have the 10X Max. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, but no scrapes and scratches on my phone. So these little cases are good. They have glass on them. Now, I did shatter my case. I did. It's shattered. I dropped it a few times on concrete, but my phone was protected. So anyway, they sent me over 3 different cases. As y'all can see, that's the name. Hanogram. Hanogram. Okay, I'm doing too much. Okay, I'm gonna stop. All right, y'all. Let me share with y'all. The very first case I got in here. Okay, this is the one I made for work. It says RN BSN. It's got RN Raquel BSN. So yeah, don't want to lose my phone for at work. There is no question about whose phone it is, and they fit perfect. And this is that some kind of glass, because I noticed on this one, after about the 3rd time I dropped it, I shattered that glass. It stayed intact. It just broke right there and did not ding my phone at all. And y'all, they come on just as easy. They come off just as easy as you slip them on. And just like that. And they fit just like that. And I thought that was a real pretty sky blue looking green. So yeah, let me show y'all the next one. Okay, put the old one in here because I'm keeping that. It's still good. I don't care what y'all say. Did I show y'all the card? It's hanagram.com. If I didn't say, this is what it looks like right here. And it says, tag us to become featured in our photo with a chance to get a free phone case. Okay. That's what it looks like. I'm holding it back because I know the light is sometimes too bright and you won't be able to see. But yeah. Anyway, it's Hanogram. And let me show you the next case. And like I said, it's in here. Real safely sent. And this is the glass. Inside looks like this. And this one is hot pink. This is my fiery one, y'all. And this is how it looks like. And my phone just, no struggle at all. Just slides right on. And that just says Raquel. Yeah. I think these are cute. These are so gorgeous. And you can choose whichever. They got a lot of styles. Dozens of styles. So, and they're not very expensive. And like I said, they are sturdy. You don't see any dents or dings on my phone, and that has been the case that I've had on my phone since I got it. The first one, yeah, the case, you know, done been through a little struggle with me, but the phone remained intact. And anyway, the last case here, guys, I had to get this. I know I didn't want to get another black case, but when I saw that, it says to the moon and back was already on here, and I got to put my own engraving which says it's black nurses rock to the moon and back, and then it just says Hanogram on the bottom. And again, phone just fits right in there like that. And that's what it looks like. I mean, I really love these phones. I mean, just the idea of having glass. It feels like glass on your phone, and the ease of putting them on and removing them. I really like these. And you can go to Hanogram.com to check them out. I'm just going back to this one. I think I'm going to be a hot mess and rock this one for today. And on the front of my phone, I just got a glass screen. That's the only thing on there is a glass screen. And I think these are nice. I really think they're worth the money. I do have one of the iPhone cases, but like I said, I've been rocking this one on my phone since I first got it. So, and no issues with it. So anyway, if y'all want to check them out, go to Hanogram.com. I done talked enough. Did I tell you they had more than iPhones? Y'all know I love to talk. I'm going to make this video longer than what it needs to be. Alright, I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye. Stay blessed, guys. Now I find the clicker for my lights. Today is one of those days. I'm going to re-record this video.